Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to use Afterpay on Best Buy in 2025. Okay, now the first thing that you should do is simply search for afterpay.com. Then you want to select your country or the language that you are using. Then you will have to click on sign up or login. And once you log in using your credentials, you just have to search here for Best Buy, for example. You can use the application or even use the browser. It doesn't really matter. Now, once you search for Best Buy, select Best Buy gift card and click on drop down arrow to select amount. And below the amount, you will see 4 payment installments you will repay. And this will be paid to Afterpay. Select buy for yourself and enter your details. Click pay with Afterpay and enter email address and credit card details. Afterpay will email you the gift card details. Then now you will have to go to bestbuy.com, just like so. I'm going to choose the country. Then now you have the Best Buy. Now you can use the code after logging in. And after that, you can now use the gift card in order to pay. Thank you for watching, guys. And please support us with like and goodbye.